This feeling is at our core. A calling to take our tools and experience and redefine our limits. Knowing above all, time is our most valuable resource. You asked, we engineered. The new generation of CFMOTO off-road vehicles.